Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today we're gonna be featuring the most popular and the most common succulent that you could ever have, which is the snake plant. And itong succulent na to is really perfect for beginners. So if you're looking for a succulent that would thrive on neglect and will do well in low light, then definitely itong succulent na to would be perfect for you. And sobrang ganda nung kanyang leaves, 'di ba? Parang it has this wide leaves sa baba and then pataas siya na pointed, and it comes in this beautiful green and yellow contrast sa kanyang leaves. So, if we will be talking about its sunlight exposure, diba, yung iba nating mga succulents or most of our succulents, kailangan nila ng mga 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight every day for them to be healthy. Pero ang ating mga snake plants, pwede natin sila ilagay indoors, even sa mga low light areas. So, as you can see, nilagay ko lang siya dito sa tabi ng ating windowsill area, and kahit na ilagay natin siya sa pinaka loob ng ating bahay, they would eventually survive and grow healthily. So, itong ating mga snake plants are actually best if ilalagay natin sila sa ating mga bedroom for the reason na kino-convert niya yung carbon dioxide into oxygen at night, and therefore it will help purify yung air while we are sleeping. And not only that, syempre there are also some studies that show that this succulent or this plant removes formaldehyde, benzene, and other chemicals sa ating air. Kaya talagang nilagay ko siya dito sa aking windowsill area sa loob ng aking bedroom. And in terms of watering, parang dinidiligan ko lang siya every 2 to 3 months. Depende na lang kung gaano ka-init yung panahon. Ayan, so ayaw niya ng tubig, and of course, yung soil mix niya rin is very important. So since it's a succulent, we should be using a well-draining na potting mix. So in this case, I'm using coco peat, ayan, with some organic matter dyan. And that's it. Over time, syempre itong ating snake plant would propagate on its own. And recently nga, napansin ko na finally may tumubo ng parang offset dito sa ating snake plant. So kung nakikita ninyo yung parang green dyan na sobrang liit, that's actually the new growth ng ating snake plant. And definitely over time you would be expecting more of these offsets as long as healthy yung inyong snake plant. So aside from waiting na magkaroon siya ng offset, we can also propagate itong ating succulent through division. So we have here 1, 2, 3, and 4 plants or snake plants already. So pwede natin siyang i-uproot and separate them para mas madami tayong snake plant. But for me, I prefer na magkumpulan silang ganito kasi sobrang bagal lumaki ng ating snake plants, and kumbaga mas maganda na wag na lang silang paghiwa-hiwalayan for us to have this very lush looking na snake plant. But then if you wanted to quickly propagate itong succulent na ito, you can actually cut the leaves, ayan, then wait for it to dry, put it in the water, and yun, magkakaroon na kayo ng bagong snake plant. So ayokong gupit-gupitin itong ating snake plant, but definitely it's gonna be like this. Ayan, so after nyo siyang i-cut, wait na mag-dry yung leaves and ilagay nyo siya sa water, and in several days or weeks magkakaroon na siya ng roots, and eventually magkakaroon na nga siya ng new succulent plant. And yun, pwede nyo na nga siyang itanim and wait until na maging ganito yung inyong snake plant. So next time I will be buying a new snake plant, and yun nga yung ika-cut natin for propagation kasi ayaw ko talagang kumbaga sirain itong ating snake plant na nandito. Ayan. So, it's here in my bedroom. Originally, gusto ko mga succulents, mga echeverias, mga sedums yung nakalagay dito sa ating parang windowsill area. But then, syempre, diba, it's not really healthy, or it's unhealthy to put those pots of different succulents dito nga sa ating bedroom kasi we will be breathing in yung mga fertilizers at kung ano-ano pang chemicals na nasa kanilang mga leaves. But for snake plants, they are very good in purifying air, kaya nandito siya sa aking bedroom. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.